Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 SMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and that simple. So first of all, open TradingView, then go to indicators here. Click on it and type here moving average. Simple. Okay, this one. Click on it 2 times like this. Okay, now we have here the 9 SMAs, but we want the 20 and the 50. So all you have to do is click on this gear icon, then go to input, length, and change the first one to 20. Click on OK, and change the second one to 50. Okay, click on the gear icon and change it to 50 here from length under input. Now let's change the color of one of them. And for example, here I will choose green. Okay, and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is the 50 SMA and this one is the 20. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.